When years passes by and you still don't hear about the man, remember, God in heaven knows where he is. And the owner of the dream will make the dream come to pass one day. Just one day. It might not be in Canaan. But when you are born with a star of a king, it can be in Egypt. And maybe those people who chased you out of Canaan may come and seek refuge in Egypt. I tell you the truth. When you see people, I'm talking to you, my brother and my sister. When you see hundreds of thousands of people coming to worship God in Kasarani beyond capacity, that is not power of a witch doctor or a witch. That one can only take the hand of God. When you see them flock Kisumu, Nakuru, everywhere. When you see people from all over the world, they bring these flags without we ourselves making the flags and giving to our brothers to fly them. No, they come from those countries themselves. They say, we have heard of this grace. We have come. We want to worship God. Remember Naaman and the young girl and Elisha. When you see people bringing all this, we have not created them. They have brought them. And when you see nations looking for a portion of this altar, New Life Prayer Center and the Church, Accra, Ghana, please think twice. Maybe, and maybe, don't we have altars in those countries? We do. You saw these things happening in Nigeria when TB Joshua was still alive. And you ran there. You went there. You saw these things that you see here, there. Let us just be careful. When we kill our own, one day we might look for our own and find nothing and beg somewhere. It is upon you to decide. But the wind is blowing. Nobody knows where it comes from and where it is going to. The Spirit of God is like wind. Just one day, you might go somewhere and meet Joseph without knowing this is the one we sold. God bless you. And God bless Kenya. I've seen this, and my heart was bleeding with a lot of pain. Oregon, America, has offered 5 acres of land. I remember that. I feel a lot of pain. Tanzania has offered 10 acres of land. I remember that. And I feel a lot of pain. I cry for my country. May the will of God be done. But one day, just one day, we might say, we wish we knew. But Pharaoh will never allow you to take Joseph back to Canaan. Your mistake will be your mistake. Pharaoh will never allow you to take Joseph to Canaan. I see this. I remember Nigeria. I remember Africa. And I see all these flags and people coming from all over the world. I see all this. All these flags, we did not make them here. People from all over the world, they came and they left their flags. They said, we want this altar in our nation. All over the world. And I said, Lord, I will put all these flags on the altar. I will never dump them anywhere. I want them to stay here. At the appointed time, you will take me to those places just to preach.